Wagwan people, welcome to another video. Today is Latoya's birthday and she's inside. We told her we're gonna go to the store to get some stuff. So she don't know what we have planned, but we have a big surprise for her. So we want you guys to be there. So we're gonna head out. We're gonna take you along with us and y'all gonna see what surprise or what gift we have planned for Latoya today. Ajay, what do you think it's gonna be?
I don't know.
You don't know? Malik, you know what it's gonna be?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I do.
You do? Okay, alright, don't say nothing yet. So, they say they know what it's gonna be. Let's see.
Watch out, they said I won't see you coming. Blindside for sure, one blink now we're standing face to face. And I'm hesitant to open, you'll come my direction. I get in ahead of myself. You're smiling cause you know you got my attention. Now it's up to me. You're looking at me and I can't help stare. Right there, right there. I'm coming for you.
Okay guys, so we're at the Mercedes dealership. Yeah, Mercedes dealership. So Toya and I, we've been together for a while and she's been awesome, man. You know, God has been good to us. You know, I feel blessed every day that, you know, I wake up to a wonderful family and, you know, God is at the forefront. We always talk about, you know, God being the center of the relationship and everything like that. And, you know, she's had her car for the longest. You know, over 10 years she's had her car. And we've been praying about it. You know, what should I get her for her birthday? And I think it's only fitting that, you know, I get her a birthday gift this time that I know she would truly love. You know what I mean? So, yeah, we're at the Mercedes dealership, man. I'm getting her a Mercedes Benz. She has no idea. We're gonna take it over there, and we're just gonna surprise her. I'm gonna have the boys go in the house, you know, get a blindfold on her, and just walk her out. And yeah, we're just gonna surprise her, man. We're gonna see her reaction to it. So you won't wanna miss this. Stick around. So one to that one, that one is mad.
Watch out. Watch out. They said I won't see you coming. Blindside for sure. One blink now we're standing face to face. And I'm hesitant to open, you'll come my direction. I get in ahead of myself. You're smiling cause you know you got my attention. Now it's up to me. You're looking at me and I can't help stare. Right there, right there. I'm coming for you, so be patient. Dear, just stay right there.
So guys, we're home now, and we got the car right here. Here it is. So Latoya not even knows that we're back home yet, you know what I mean? So we're gonna go inside and we're gonna tell her we have a surprise for her. We're gonna put on a blindfold on her and we're gonna lead her outside. And then we're gonna do the thing the real way, you know what I mean? So just stick around and wait for this scene.
You're looking at me and I can't help stare. Right there, right there. I'm coming for you, so be patient. Dear, just stay right there.
Step down. Step down. Step down. Zion.
Who is here?
Derek. Say hi, Derek.
Hi, Derek.
I Latoya.
Zion,
Oh,
Zion.
he's really here.
Alright, stand right there. Zion, you're gonna say. You're gonna tell mom.
Who's holding on? Who's this? It's IJ. Where's Malik?
Zion, tell mommy to open her eyes. Say open.
Latoya, I'm celebrating with you, okay?
Say ta-da.
Oh my God, the sun is bright.
Say ta-da. Ta-da!
Oh my God. Oh, now it's all over. What is this? Is this a,
Wow.
is this a prank?
Hi. Come on. Happy birthday, honey.
Thank you.
Come, let's sing.
You know, say, when you were in here, me say, if you're going to the mall, go and get me something, because me say, Matilda said, I don't want them for my birthday.
What?
Oh my God. Honey. Thank you.
All right, let's sing happy
It's
birthday.
really
Rick.
not easy, you know? Oh my
Happy
God.
birthday to mom. Happy birthday to
Oh
mom.
my goodness.
Happy birthday to mommy. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Yay! Thank you guys. Oh my God. So you're in this too, bro?
Something like that.
Wow.
Yes.
So honey, here you go.
Oh, right.
Oh, yo, I eat when I eat it,
Wha- what?
in my mouth.
Oh, that's all right.
Watch out, they said I won't see you coming. Bounce out for sure. One blink now we're standing face to face. And I'm hesitant to open, you'll come my direction. I get in ahead of myself. You're smiling cause you know you got my attention. Now it's up to me. You're looking at me and I can't help stare. Right there, right there. I'm coming for you, so be patient, dear, just stay right there. You're looking at me and I can't help stare. Right there, right there. I'm coming for you, so be patient, dear, just stay right there. Close now. Could I be falling for you? Jaws on the floor. You got that something I can't explain. And I'm hesitant to open, you'll come my direction. I get in ahead of myself. You're smiling cause you know.
Honey, I don't even know what to say. Like,
Oh.
I'm speechless. Because, you know, when you guys were in here, I was like, most the mall you're gone, you know, come here. So tell him something I want to eat and I'm still gone at the mall. Really?
Really? Alright guys, so there you have it. Latoya's birthday gift. We hope you enjoyed it as much as we did. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet done so. Make sure you like this video and comment. Just leave us a comment, you know, wish Latoya a happy birthday and share it with your friends, you know. Just share it with your friends. As always, you don't know Papi love you. Big up on yourself, okay? Bless.
You're looking at me and I can't help stare. You're looking at me and I can't help stare.